Connor. That mustache.
It's great, right?
You fit right in. Plain bagel with cream cheese. I've got my young strapping apprentice. What are we gonna go and fix?
I don't even know. A leak?
Urinal?
And a urinal, yeah.
So, lady's getting rained in her unit, and there's a urinal on the fritz. See you there.
Is this your signature?
That's mine.
I'll just stop you.
Okay, dude.
Take care.
Big dog. So, we got the water off. We have a Kohler 1 gallon, 3.8 liter flush. Take that off, inspect it. Good. Plastic cap. Isn't that gross? And that is your diaphragm. And in these diaphragms, see that little weep hole? When that fails, this goes on the fritz. You see that? This has been in here a while. Here's a new one. We always want to match the toilet and the product. A lot of the times when I do these, I always bring an extra O-ring because that sometimes leaks. So we've got that in the box. Drop that in there. Clean everything as we go. See how we're shooting out here? You gotta control the water.